Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Lori and I live on Vancouver Island, which is a beautiful part of the world. If you've never been, you should come and say hi. If you do, yeah, anyway. Let's see, I'm going back to my black and white today and I'm going to try something a little bit different. My paint is pretty thick still. I'd say it's about a 3 to a 3.5. Actually, it's been sitting for a couple of days. I might need to give it a good stir. So I'm doing my black and white. I'm trying again on the challenge for the black and white challenge. So this is going to be my base paint. And then I've got my chains, and I've got some of them soaking in some white paint. And I have 2 of them here that I'm going to put into this red paint because I can have a red accent. So all of my paint is pretty thick. I'm going to go ahead and get my canvas covered, and then I've already kind of played with some patterning with these. I'm not very good at laying them down yet, but I'm gonna do my best, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's drag some paint around on a canvas on some chains. That sounds like fun, right? Okay, so as you can see, I've run my chains on there, and now I've run them all through this little hoop here. And I'm going to try and hold it here while I pull these chains. And I'm going to hope that it ends up being something beautiful. guys, what do you think? Not too bad for the first time I've done that kind of pull. I could see doing that with like some rainbow colors or some blues and greens and purples for peacock colors. And oh my goodness gracious, so many things you can do. Anyway, apparently I'm filming you upside down, so this might have to be flipped. But I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope you take care of yourself. Bye now.